Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. As you know, my name's Dave, and today we have a job on the Volvo. As of late, last week or so, the transmission started to slip. It's doing the usual sort of Borg Warner transmission thing, which is common across Volvo, Ford and Mazda, whereby you put your foot down, nothing happens for about 5 seconds, then it starts to pick up and actually drive. When you're on the road, like when you're on the motorway, that sort of thing, and you put your foot down, it takes about 3 times longer than it usually should to pick up the speed that you want. It's not ideal. It's not a great safety aspect. So I've decided that after 11 years and 145,000 miles, and with no service history on this particular part, it's time for a gearbox oil change. The problem with that is it's raining today. The weather is what I might say on Christmas Eve, frightful. That's a terrible joke. Yeah, I'm just going to top it up a little bit. Now then, here's a little story of caution for you. I got this from Your Car Parts, EP8090. I confirmed the grade on a couple of websites, the Your Car Parts website, Halfrod's website. I should have known better. And it's the wrong one. It's the manual gearbox oil, not the 6-speed automatic. So I went to a local motor factor and got this stuff. Proper ATF fluid. It's Dextron 2, MC2, that sort of good stuff. So that's the stuff that works for this car. I've got 11 litres of it, despite the gearbox only needing 7. Now the reason behind that is I'm going to put the 1 litre bottle in today, in this video, just to keep the car going until next week, when I've got the car booked into a garage to get the oil change done properly. Now I'm providing my own oil. It's one of these mates rates things, you know, it's a friend of Kane's that's doing it. He's got a machine, he's going to reverse flush the whole gearbox. So for now, let's put that 1 litre of oil in and see how it goes. Okay, so in order to do this, first of all, in order to gain access to the fill plug, which is that one just there. We've already squared that with WD-40, by the way. It's probably never come off in its entire life. We've got to remove the airbox. So just to save time a little bit, we've already done that. So we've got access to that plug. So we're going to take that off, and then we're going to top it up with a litre of fluid. Right, so we've filled it up a little bit now. This is just to, you know, like I said, just to keep the car on the road for a little while. Just going to mop up the excess, put that screw back in, and then we'll clean it with a bit of brake cleaner to get the excess fluid off, and replace the airbox. So we have the oil in. That appeared to be a relatively painless process. I expected the car to fight me a little bit more on that one, but whatever, it's in. Happy with that. It has improved the driving characteristics a little bit. It's still slipping, obviously, because it needs a full fluid change and all that sort of good stuff. But it'll do for now. It'll get me through the next week. But yeah, is what it is. It'll do. Look forward to the next video where I take you into the garage. if I'm allowed, where I take you into the garage and show you the reverse flush of the gearbox. But you know the drill. If you like that video, if that was any use to you, please like, share, comment, subscribe, all that sort of good stuff. And with it being Christmas Eve, I'll wish you all a very happy Christmas and a good New Year. And I will see you in the next New Year video.